How to set up Google Analytics 2023 complete tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. To get yourself into it, you're going to go here and click on start measuring. And once you click on start measuring over here, it's first of all going to ask you your account details, account name and stuff like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to add your account name. Once you add that, it's going to ask you for your account data sharing settings. Data you collect, process and store using Google Analytics is secure and kept confidential. This data is used to maintain and protect the Google Analytics service to perform system critical operations and in rare exceptions to legal reasons as described in their privacy policy. Now, the data sharing options give you more control over sharing your Google Analytics data, so you can obviously go ahead and share data if you want to. I'd say just tick all of them and then click on next. Here you're going to set up your property details. Property represents a business, web, and or app data. An account can contain one or more properties. Learn more about the stuff if you want to create a new property for an existing Firebase project. So here it says create a Google Analytics for property to measure your web and or app data. So you can create a property if you want to. I'm just gonna give a random name, put in a reporting time zone, and then put in the currency I'm gonna make in. You can also go and create a Universal Analytics property if you want to. I'm not gonna do that, and click on next. Here it's gonna ask you your business information, like help us tailor your experience by answering the following. Industry category, you're gonna select one of these. So let's go with computer and electronics. Here it says business size. Now this totally depends on the business size you have, like the amount of employees you have. So it could be, it could be 1 to 10, could be 11 to 100, whatever. I'm gonna go with large. And then it says, how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Check all that apply. So you can measure customer engagement, optimize your site, measure data, and just choose anything that you want to do. I'm gonna tick all of them for the time being. So let's choose all of these. And once you choose all this, you're gonna click on create. Now, once you click on create, you're gonna come here where it's gonna ask you for your Google Analytics term of service agreement, Google marketing platform, and stuff like that. It's gonna give you definitions. It's gonna give you your fees and services. It's gonna give you all these different things. Make sure if you want to read all of it, you can if you want to. Totally depends on you. And once you've done that, you're gonna come down here. Additional terms applicable to data shared with Google. You're gonna read all of that if you want to. And once you've done that, you're just gonna click on I accept. And now once you click on I accept, here it says account and property successfully created. And once it's done that, here it's gonna give you, all these email communications. If you want them to send you email about these things, you can choose them and click on save, or you can just click on check all and save. And once you've done that, you are set to go with your analytics. Now you've already set up your analytics account. Now let's go ahead and set the few things that are left to do. So one of the first things that you're gonna do is obviously you're gonna come in here to the setup assistant so it can show you what you need to do. So the first thing, the most important thing, is the data collection, where you collect website and app data. So basically, in easier words, you have to add a data stream that you want to, analyze and make analytics out of. So let's say you have a website. Now, for example, just as an example, I'm going to go on Nike.com. So let's say my website is Nike.com. Now on Nike.com, I want all the analytics and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the domain name, the main name of Nike that I have, and I'm going to paste it over here in, collecting this website stream data. So what it's going to do is it's going to collect all the data, and it's going to, copy the data stream of the Nike website and bring it over here. And according to that, it's going to analyze our data and stuff like that. Then obviously there's your property settings, where you can turn on Google Signals, which will access aggregated data from people with Google accounts who allow ads personalization. Then obviously there is different conversions, define audiences, manage users, and this is your Google AdSense place, where you can obviously have your Google AdSense to make money and stuff like that, which it basically manages your money. Then obviously there's more things you can change with your settings. To add data stream, all you're going to do is you're going to go on your data stream section, choose a platform that your website is on. So let's say it's web, you're going to put in your domain, you're going to put in the name of your domain, and once you've done that, you're going to turn on enhanced measurement. Once you've done that, you're going to create stream, and from there on out, what's going to happen is it's going to, again, as I said, copy the data stream of that website of yours, and it's going to slowly start exporting the data to your Google Analytics. And obviously there's more things that you can mess around with, like let's say if you go to reports. So in reports, what's going to happen is you have all these different reports regarding your Google Analytics, where you can get real-time reports, you can get, report snapshots if you want to, but yeah, that's basically about it. And that is mainly, then from there on out, obviously it's totally analytical stuff. Like, you have fully set it yourself up with your Google Analytics. All you're gonna need to do now is just, check your reports, and that you can see on this section. And this is pretty much easy stuff. You can just check the graphs, your revenue and stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically about it. So yeah, that's all what happens when it comes to Google Analytics. So yeah, I hope you found this video very helpful and very informational. If you did, please do make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, because if you do, it will help me out a lot. Please do make sure to share this video with your friends and family or anyone in need, because by doing that, obviously my community grows and it just helps me again out a lot. If I missed anything out in this video, please do let me know in the comment section below and I'll get back to you straight away. If you have any queries or issues as well, please let me know that as well down in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know that as well, and I will make more videos for you. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.